So this report is an evaluation of the UK banking industry. My name is Ogada Tesi, and this is the executive summary. The objective of the study is to analyze UK banks' financial performance using correlation and regression analysis to identify what drives market capitalization. Key findings: the revenue is the strongest driver of market cap, while excessive liabilities reduce investor confidence. And this is the agenda, the introduction to the banking industry through down to conclusions and recommendations. The introduction: the UK banking sector is a key player in the global financial system. Major banks like HSBC, Barclays, Lloyds, and NatWest dominate the market. The UK banking industry is a crucial part of the global financial system, with its regulatory framework ensuring stability and growth. The importance of business analytics in banking decision making. Business analytics applies data and quantitative methods to improve decision making. It encompasses descriptive analytics, which analyzes past data, the predictive analysis, which forecasts future trends, the prescriptive analytics, which recommends actions for improvement. Business analytics helps banking improving its risk management in fraud detection, credit risk targeted marketing. Operational efficiency, that's branch optimization, automation. Example: Barclays uses customer footfall data to optimize branch locations. The implementations of business analytics in banking. Business analytics integrates AI, machine learning, and big data to improve decision making. The key applications are risk management. AI detects frauds, improves credit assessment, customer insights, enhances personalized banking experiences. Operational efficiency. AI-driven automation reduces cost. MC Kinsey estimates in its report that AI and big data could add 200 to $340 billion in value to banking annually. And the challenges in implementing business analytics: regulatory compliance and data privacy. Banks must comply with GDPR and CCPA to protect customer data. AI bias and ethical consent. AI models trained on biased historical data can lead to discriminatory lending decisions. The picture shows other challenges faced in these implementations. And the data collection and methodology. Data source: financial data from 10 major UK banks spanning from 2014 to 2023, and was collected from companies' market cap and Yahoo Finance. The key variables collected were total assets, represents the total economic resources owned by a bank; total liabilities, which measures financial obligations; the revenue, the total income generated by the bank; the market capitalization, the value of the bank's outstanding shares; the total debt represents the amount of borrowed funds; and also the data visualization and insights, the revenue markup. HSBC leads with over 50 billion in 2023, showing strong growth. Barclays and Lloyds remain stable, while smaller banks like NatWest and Close Brothers have minimal changes. Revenue growth suggests banks expand through increased lending and investment. The total liability versus the total asset both steadily increased, showing banking sector expansion. There's a narrow gap between assets and liabilities, suggesting heavy reliance on borrowed funds for growth. Assets remain slightly higher than liabilities, indicating financial stability. Banks must balance growth with debt management to ensure long-term sustainability. And also the market capitalization trends. From the two charts, it's evident that HSBC consistently dominates peaking in 2018 and recovering post 2020. The top three banks, HSBC, Barclays, Lloyds, show higher market caps while smaller banks experience fluctuations. And the statistical analysis, summary statistics. The summary statistics from the summary statistic, the average market cap is 21.06 billion pounds, but the high standard deviation of 36.85 shows large difference between banks. Revenue, assets, and liabilities show high variability, indicating that a few large banks dominate the market. The co The correlation analysis, market cap and revenue has a strong positive correlation of 0.94, indicating that higher revenue leads to a higher market cap. Total liabilities and total assets are nearly perfectly correlated, suggesting that banks with more assets also have higher liabilities. Total debt and liabilities are high correlation, reinforcing that growth is linked to increasing borrowing. And the regression analysis. Regression analysis is performed to determine the correlations between two or more variables having cause-effect relations and to make predictions for the topic by using the relations. That's by Uyanik and Gula 2013. Variables used for this are the market capitalization, that's a dependent variable, total assets independent variable, the total liability independent variable, the revenue independent variable, and the total debt independent variable. And also, the outcome is to predict if the independent variables have an impact on the dependent variable. That's the market capitalization equation for progression. The market cap equal to B0 plus B1, total asset plus B2, total liabilities plus B3, revenue plus B4, total debt. B0 equals to intercept, baseline market cap when all variables are zero. B1, B2, B3, B4 equal to coefficient, impact of each variable on market capitalization. Multiple R equal to 0.96, indicating a strong relationship between financial variables and market capitalization. R square equal to 0.92. This shows that 92% of market cap variation is explained by revenue, assets, liabilities, and debt. Adjusted R2 equal to 0.91 also confirms the strong predictive power without overfitting. Revenue with a coefficient of 3.19 and a p-value equal to 0.0001 shows that it is the most significant factor in determining market cap. Total liabilities have a negative impact with a coefficient of minus 0.56. This suggests that increasing liabilities decreases market confidence. Total assets shows moderate influence with a coefficient of 0.50 and a p-value equal to 0.065, implies a positive but weaker effect on market cap. Debt is less significant with a higher p-value. Total debt does not have a major impact on market capitalization. And the conclusion, the UK bank sector led by HSBC, Barclays, Lloyds, and NatWest plays a crucial role in the global financial system. Business analytics has transformed banking, improving risk management, customer experiences, and decision making through AI, big data, and predictive analytics. Financial analysis reveals disparities with a few large banks dominating. Revenue strongly influences market cap, while excessive liabilities reduce investor confidence. Business analytics enhances profitability, resilience, and competitiveness in an evolving financial landscape. As banking evolves, the ability to make data-driven decisions will be the key in success in an increasingly digital world. And the recommend the strategic recommendations. That's the revenue optimization. That's like expand revenue streams through digital banking, enhanced use of business analytics, liability and debt management, strategic allocation, regulatory compliance, and ethical AI. That's like to strengthen data governance and transparency to ensure fair lending practices. Thank you.